Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about basicity of aromatic amines. As we know that aromatic amines are basic in nature. According to Lewis theory, aromatic amines has lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom, and this unshared pair of electron or non-pair of electrons can interact or can participate into the reaction. So, aromatic amines are known as the Lewis base due to presence of unshared pair of electrons on nitrogen atom and which are shareable. Aromatic amines are basic in nature. They can accept a proton from water and form substituted ammonium hydroxide, which ionize to form hydroxyl ion. See here, amine react with water molecule and form ammonium hydroxide derivative, right? And this ion ionized or decomposed into the ammonium ion and hydroxyl ion. Naturally, the aqueous solution of amines are basic in nature. Being basic in nature, aromatic amines can react with acid to form salts. See here, aniline react with acid, that is hydrochloric acid, mineral acid, and form quaternary ammonium salt, that is anilinium chloride, right? Here, lone pair of electron react with or form bond with H plus ion, right, proton, and form quaternary ammonium compound. Here, salt formed is anilinium chloride. Now, amines, as we discussed, that behave as Lewis base, and its basicity can be expressed by using the basicity constant, that is Kb. That can be explained by using the reaction of amine with water molecule. Here see, this amine react with water molecule and form ammonium ion and hydroxyl ion. So, equilibrium constant, that is Kb, can be expressed as Kb equal to concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. Here, concentration of product is concentration of ammonium ion and concentration of hydroxyl ion divided by concentration of reactant, that is concentration of RNH2, that is amine, and concentration of water. Here concentration of water is not written because what concentration of water is present in large volume and it can be negligible, right? So Kb can be expressed as concentration of ammonium ion and concentration of hydroxyl ion divided by concentration of amine. Here, different pKb value of the different amines, aromatic amine is written. Now what is pKb? pKb is nothing but the negative logarithm of the basicity constant Kb, right? So here the basicity of amine depends upon the fact that amine can accept a proton from water to give greater concentration of ammonium and hydroxyl ion, right? And in other words, greater the Kb value, greater is the basicity of amine and vice versa, right? pKb is the another factor to explain the basicity of amine, and pKb equal to negative logarithm of Kb. Here, smaller the pKb value, stronger is the basicity of amine. pKb value of some aromatic amines are given here. Cyclohexylamine has the pKb value 3.36. Benzylamine has the pKb value 4.64. Aniline has the pKb value 9.38. N-methyl aniline has the pKb value 9.15. And N-dimethyl aniline has the pKb value 8.95. Paratoluidine has the pKb value 8.92. And diphenyl amine has the pKb value 13.15. So from this table we can say that most basic compound out of this different compound is cyclohexylamine because it has the smallest pKb value and largest pKb value, that is 13.15, is of diphenylamine. So that diphenylamine is the weakest base out of these different aromatic amines, right? So we by using this pKb value we can compare the basicity of different aromatic amines. Here keep in mind that smaller the pKb value, stronger is the base, right? Base is more stronger. For example, when we compare the aniline and N-methyl aniline, then you can say that N-methyl aniline is stronger base than aniline, right? So from this table different comments are given. Aromatic amines are much weaker bases than ammonia and aliphatic amine. Second, you can write N-alkyl amines, that is N-methyl aniline as well as N-dimethyl aniline are stronger base than aniline. Aryl substituted aryl amine, that is diphenylamine, is weaker base than aniline. Aryl alkyl amine, that is benzylamine, is stronger base than aniline. Let's see one by one justification for this comment. Before going towards the justification of this comment, just keep in mind that the basicity of aromatic amines depends on main two things, that is availability of the electron pair on nitrogen atom of amine, and second one is stability of the substituted ammonium ion formed, right? As increase in availability of electron pair on nitrogen atom, it can easily donate the electron pair and increases the basicity. Same increases the stability of the substituted ammonium ion formed after protonation of amine, then increases the basicity of aromatic amine, because as increases the stability of ammonium ion, it does not release the proton and it being reacted with the proton and increases the basicity of aromatic amines, right? So any factor that can increase the availability of electron pair on nitrogen or increase the stability of ammonium ion can increase the basicity of aromatic amine, right? So increase in both factor leads to increase in basicity of aromatic amine, or you can say vice versa, decrease in availability of electron pair on nitrogen atom or decrease in stability of the substituted ammonium ion formed lead to the decrease in basicity of aromatic amines. Here, first of all, aromatic amines are weaker base than ammonia and aliphatic amines. It can be explained by discussing the different resonating structure of the aniline. Different resonating structure of the aniline already we have discussed in previous lectures. See here what happened. Lone pair of electron from the nitrogen participate into the resonance and form double bond with the ring carbon, and double bond between two ring carbon simultaneously get broken down and free electrons of this pi bond move on the orthocarbon, right? And double bond between carbon and nitrogen is formed, and positive charge is acquired by the nitrogen atom because its lone pair of electron is used by the or used into the resonance. That's why this nitrogen acquires the positive charge, right? And likewise, movement of the pi bond and free electrons occur and finally form the structure shape, this one, right? See, in this different resonating structure of aniline, structure 2, 3 and 4 has the positive charge on the nitrogen atom, right? The electron pair on nitrogen is shared with aromatic ring, right? And which results into the electron pair on the nitrogen is less available for the protonation with acid, right? Because lone pair of electron is used into the resonance by aromatic ring. That's why the here lone pair of electron of nitrogen is less available for the protonation, and that's why it is less basic than ammonia and aliphatic amines, because in ammonia and aliphatic amines such type of resonance is not present or not exist, right? That's why lone pair of electron on nitrogen in ammonia and aliphatic amines are easily available for the protonation as compared to the aniline, right? That's why aniline is less basic or weaker base than ammonia and aliphatic amines, right? In second terms, see, aniline when get protonated or when break with water form anilinium ion, right? And this anilinium ion has only two resonating structure, because here lone pair of electron of nitrogen is used by the protonation reaction, right? That's why here resonating structure of the anilinium ion are only two canonical structure, right? While in aniline, when we compare the stability of aniline and anilinium ion, see, the aniline has the different 5 resonating structure, while anilinium ion has only 2 resonating structure or resonance hybrid, right? So you can say that aniline is more stable than anilinium ion, right? And due to the greater stability of aniline, it has less tendency to form anilinium ion, right? When we compare the stability of two compound, then compound prefer being into the more stable form, right? So when we compare the stability of aniline and anilinium ion, aniline is more stable form, then compound prefer to be in the more stable form, that is aniline, right? So it has the less tendency to form anilinium ion, and thus aniline is weaker base as compared to ammonia and aliphatic amines. Next one is N-alkyl anilines are stronger base than aniline, that is N-methyl aniline and N-dimethyl aniline are stronger base than aniline, right? Again, it means that there is a more availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atoms of N-alkyl anilines, right? Why there more availability of lone pair of electrons in N-alkyl anilines? That is due to the presence of electron releasing group, that is methyl or alkyl group. Alkyl group, for example, methyl group is electron donating group, right? So when it is directly attached with the nitrogen atom, then it releases the, or it keeps the releasing the electron density towards the nitrogen atom, right? That's why the electron pair on these amines, nitrogen, is relatively more available for sharing than electron pair in aniline. Right? Aniline has not such type of group which can release the electron toward the nitrogen atom. Right? While in N-methylaniline and N-methylaniline has the electron donating group present on the nitrogen atom. That's why this group keep the releasing the electron density towards the nitrogen, and that's why lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom are easily available for the protonation as compared to aniline. See here, different pKb value of the these amines are given. N-dimethyl has the 8.95 pKb value, N-methylaniline has the pKb value 9.15, and aniline has the pKb value 9.42. Right? So out of these three compound, N-dimethyl has lowest pKb value, that's why it is stronger base, right? Then N-methylaniline and N-methylaniline is stronger base than aniline, right? Because N-dimethylaniline has the 2 methyl group, while N-methylaniline has only 1 methyl group, right? So it can be explained that as increases the electron donating group on the nitrogen atom, increases the basicity of amine or amino nitrogen atom. Right? Next one is benzylamine is stronger base than aniline. Right? It is the benzylamine is the example of aryl alkyl amine. Right? Aryl alkyl amine is stronger base than aryl amine. Right? So here in aryl alkyl amine or benzylamine, the lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom is not conjugated with the benzene ring as in aryl amine. Right? Here in benzylamine, lone pair of electron of nitrogen is not conjugated or not participate into the aromatic ring, because here this amine group is not, amino nitrogen is not directly attached with the benzene ring. While in aniline, nitrogen is directly attached with aromatic ring, and lone pair of electron of nitrogen is conjugated with the aromatic ring or participate into the resonance of aromatic ring. Right? So electrons of the benzylamine is easily available or more available as compared to electrons of nitrogen in aniline. That's why benzylamine is more basic or stronger base than aniline. See pKb value of this compound. pKb value of benzylamine is 4.70 and pKb value of aniline is 9.4. That means benzylamine is more basic than aniline. Now, next is effect of substituents on basicity of amines, aromatic amines. Right? When different groups present on the aromatic ring other than amino group, then what will be the effect of that substituent or that group on the basicity of amines? The basicity of aromatic amines is greatly influenced by the position as well as the nature of the substituent present on the benzene ring. In position, different position, ortho, para and meta, the ortho and para positions, not meta position of the group, determine its net effect on the electron density on nitrogen. The nature of the group determines its inductive effect. It will be either plus I or negative I, minus I, barabar? Or resonance effect, that is minus R or plus R, which operate the position on aromatic ring. Right? inductive effect as well as resonance effect. I indicate the inductive effect and capital R indicate the resonance effect. Now see, first, as we know that nature of the substituent include electron releasing group and electron withdrawing group, right? So first see the electron releasing group. Electron releasing group such as methyl group, methoxy group, hydroxyl and amino group increases the basicity of the amine, right? When electron releasing group, electron donating group present on the aromatic amine, it will increases the basicity. See why here in aniline ring or aromatic amine, electron releasing group is present. When this compound get protonated, it form the corresponding ammonium ion. So first of all, it get easily protonated because electron releasing group increases the electron density on this nitrogen atom, and that's why increases the availability of the lone pair of electron for the protonation. Here after protonation it forms the ammonium ion or anilinium ion, right? This anilinium ion formed is more stable because of the electron releasing effect of this substituent, right? This electron releasing group stabilize this ammonium ion by releasing the electrons and decreases the intensity of this positive charge on ammonium ion, right? Decreases the positivity of this ammonium ion and stabilize the ammonium ion. That's why increases the basicity. Vice versa, electron withdrawing group decreases the basicity. Electron withdrawing group such as nitro group, cyanide group, halogen group, right? This type of electron withdrawing group decreases the basic strength of the amino group. Why? Because electron withdrawing group has the tendency to attract the electrons towards the itself, right? That's why it decreases the electron density on the amino group, right? Decreases the electron density on this amino group. That's why decreases the availability of the electron for the protonation, right? So here less availability of the electrons for protonation, that's why decreases the basicity or less basic compound. When protonation occurs, so it forms the ammonium ion. So electron withdrawing effect of the group intensify the positive charge. This positive charge is intensified and it lead to the destabilization or destabilize the ammonium ion. So decreases the stability of the ammonium or anilinium ion as compared to the parent amine. That's why it get deprotonated and converted into parent molecule, and that's why decreases the basicity, right? So keep in mind that electron releasing group increases the basicity of aromatic amine and electron withdrawing groups decreases the basicity of aromatic amine. Now these are the different substituents. Before discussing this table, see, it is to be noted that electron releasing or electron withdrawing groups when present at ortho position makes the ortho substituted aniline less basic than aniline, and this effect is known as the ortho effect, and the cause of ortho effect is not yet well known, right? As we discussed that electron releasing group increases the basicity, but when electron releasing group present on the ortho position, it will decreases the basicity of aromatic amine, and electron withdrawing group if present at ortho position, it also decreases the basicity of aromatic amine, and this effect is known as the ortho effect, right? And the effect of the substituent on the basic strength of aromatic amines can be seen from pKb value of substituted amine anilines or a substituent present at different position, right? And this is given in this table, right? Methyl group when present on ortho position of aniline, then it has the pKb value 9.6. When it is present at meta position, then it is 9.31, and when it is present at para position in aniline, then it has the pKb value 8.93. So that para methyl aniline has the more basic strength, right, as compared to ortho and meta, right? So likewise, different group or substituent when present at ortho, meta and para position, it shows the different pKb value, and that's why shows the different basicity strength, right? So from the table we conclude the different basicity strength of the different aromatic compound, right? Here basicity of para-toluene, meta-toluene and aniline is compared, right? So the base strengthening effect of the electron releasing group is more exerted at para position than meta position, right? As we discussed that ortho position will decreases the basicity of the compound, and it is known as the ortho effect. So here ortho isomer of the compound is not discussed, only meta and para isomers will be discussed, right? So para-toluene and meta-toluene, when compared the basicity, then para-toluene is more basic than meta-toluene. That means the base strengthening effect of the electron releasing group is more exerted on the para position as compared to the meta position, right? Then base weakening effect. Nitro group is the electron withdrawing group, and it decreases the or weaken the basicity of the aromatic amine, right? So base weakening effect of the electron withdrawing group is more exerted at para position than meta position, and this is because that electron density of nitrogen is reduced to greater extent by group when present at para position, right? So para-nitroaniline is less basic than meta-nitroaniline, and meta-nitroaniline is less basic than aniline, right? Different pKb value of the compound is given. Then different example of halogenated aniline is given. The base weakening effect of halogen such as chlorine and bromine is more pronounced at meta position than para position, right? It can be explained that chlorine when present at meta position, it exert only electron withdrawing inductive effect, right? Whereas when chlorine present at para position, it exerts both electron withdrawing inductive effect and electron releasing resonance effect. As a result, electron density of nitrogen is reduced to a greater extent when chlorine present at meta position than when it present at para position. Thus, meta-chloroaniline is weaker base than para-chloroaniline, right? So meta-chloroaniline is least basic as compared to para-chloroaniline and aniline, right? And other electron withdrawing groups has the more base weakening effect is on para isomer, and in halogen it is more pronounced at the meta position. It is the difference between electron withdrawing groups, different electron withdrawing groups and halogens. Now these are the groups which behave differently. Example of the compound which behave differently. See here, paramethoxyaniline is more basic than aniline and aniline is more basic than the metamethoxyaniline. Right? Why this happen? Certain groups like methoxy and hydroxyl group behaves differently, that is they increases the basicity when present at para position and when at meta position they decreases the basicity. And the reason for this is that both methoxy and hydroxyl group has electron withdrawing inductive effect and electron donating resonance effect. When these groups are present at para position, they have both the effect, but electron donating resonance effect is more than electron withdrawing inductive effect. Right? So overall effect is electron donating effects, and that's why it is more basic. Right? When it is present at para position. Right? When these groups are present at meta position, they exert only electron withdrawing inductive effect but not electron releasing resonance effect. Right? So it decreases the electron density on the nitrogen atom, and that's why metamethoxyaniline is weaker base than aniline. Thank you.